In this video we will see how to fix if black screen after installing Windows 11 update. If you have installed any Windows latest update and your screen goes black, then here are the fixes. And the first workaround is wake up your system by pressing Shift plus Control plus Windows key plus B. Press simultaneously Shift plus Control plus Windows key plus B to wake up your system. This is the first and initial workaround. And after pressing, check whether your black screen error issue resolved or not. If not, go to the next fixes. Again, press Ctrl plus Shift plus Escape. Ctrl plus Shift plus Escape button to launch Task Manager in your system. If you are facing black screen after Windows update, then open Task Manager by pressing Ctrl Shift plus Escape, and here click on Run New Task from the top right corner, and under Open field type the command cmd and make the check against option create this task with administrative privilege. Click on OK. This command will open system command prompt Windows as administrator mode, and here execute the command. This command path will also available in my video's description box. This command will refresh your desktop components item. So this command, after entering, press enter and let the window execute the command in command prompt Windows. It will take some time. Wait. As we have discussed, this command will refresh your desktop components. Wait few minutes to refresh your desktop components, and once successfully executed this command, close the window and check whether your black screen issues resolved or not. If not, go to the next fixes. Again, on the same, press Ctrl plus Alt plus Delete. After executing this command, press Ctrl plus Alt plus Delete. This command will open power option button from the bottom right corner. Click on power option, Ctrl plus Alt plus Delete, click on power button from bottom right corner and choose restart your system, and check your black screen issue is resolved or not. If not, go to the next fixes. Again, launch Task Manager, Ctrl Shift plus Escape, press it. Task Manager window will now open. Here, click on Run New Task and in type devmgmt.msc. This command will open Device Manager window. In Device Manager windows, expand Display Adapter section. Right click on your display adapter driver and choose Update Driver. How do you want to search for drivers? Search automatically for drivers. Apply same process for your secondary display adapter driver, and after that close the Device Manager windows and check whether you are still facing black screen issue or not. If not fixed, then again press Ctrl plus Alt plus Delete, click on power button from bottom right corner and choose restart. After updating your display adapter driver, restart your system by applying this method and check whether your error is resolved or not. If not, go to advanced startup mode. To enter into advanced startup mode, first completely shut down your computer. Press First, completely shut down your computer. Press and hold the power button for 10 seconds. Thereafter, turn the computer back on while holding down the F11 function key. This function key based on your system, either F10 or F11 as per your system, HP, Lenovo or other. Some devices may require F8 instead. So press and hold the power button, and as soon as your computer login screen appear, press F11 and this function will automatically goes to advanced system settings mode. Please wait, such type of screen appeared. It will take few seconds. Wait, and after that you will receive a blue screen. Advanced startup mode, blue screen display appear. Here you will find 4 options: continue, use a device, troubleshoot and turn off your PC. Choose troubleshoot. Here choose advanced options. On the next page you will find 6 options: startup repair, startup settings, command prompt, uninstall updates, firmware settings and system restore. You will have to choose uninstall updates, and if you have installed any recently updates, uninstall that updates, and also run a sfc, a scan now command, by pressing command prompt. Choose troubleshoot, advanced options and choose command prompt windows and execute the command sfc scan now. Sfc, you may first try this command and thereafter uninstall Windows latest update. Execute the command sfc slash scan now and press enter. It will scan your system for any corrupted or bad system files. Wait till 100% verification complete, and after that uninstall your Windows latest update by applying, go to troubleshoot and choose uninstall updates and look for latest Windows update you have installed, find out and simply select it and choose uninstall updates. That's all.